To check your transaction history on Wells Fargo, you can easily access it through their online banking platform or mobile app. Follow these steps to view your transaction details. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Wells Fargo website and click on the Log On button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select an account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on it to see a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter and download transactions. You can filter transactions by date, type, or amount for easier navigation. If needed, you can also download your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your financial activities with Wells Fargo. Regularly checking your transaction history helps you stay informed about your spending and manage your finances effectively.